Hello, hi, and welcome to Sandpaper. So we are starting the analysis of the batch 2 juntu ami Sandpaper mains answer writing or question disilu. Batch 1 or juntu question disilu hedo 2 days agot ami already post kori, so I hope apnalage hedo saise. Aru I will suggest je apuni the whole duration of the video sai, because ভিডিঅ'টোৰ মাজে মাজে অকল কুৱেশ্যনটোৱে মই এনালাইচিছ কৰা নাই। আই হেভ পুট ইন থিংছ ইনচাইড যোনটো আপোনালোকৰ জেনেৰিক কুৱেশ্যনৰ আনচাৰ চলভিঙতো হেল্প হ'ব। চ' দিছ ইজ মাই ছাজেশ্যন যে প্লিজ চি দ্য ভিডিঅ' অল থ্ৰু আউট এণ্ড আই হোপ ইট হেল্পছ এণ্ড উই আৰ পুটিং আৰ বেষ্ট ফুট ফৰৱাৰ্ড টু হেল্প ইউ। চ' লেটছ মুভ আহেড। এইটো মেইনছ আনচাৰ ৰাইটিং আগেন লাইক আই ছেড APSC CC 2024 লিখা আছে, বাট এইটো 2023 হ'ব লাগে। So এইটো আমি নিজে বুজি ল'ম আৰু লেটছ মুভ আহেড। চ' দিছ ইজ দ্য কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ যোনটো আমি পুট ফৰৱাৰ্ড কৰিছিলোঁ ফৰ বেটছ 2 লিখাই আছে। এণ্ড লাইক আই ছেড ইন দ্য লাষ্ট ভিডিঅ' যে কুৱেশ্যন 10 মাৰ্কৰ কুৱেশ্যন শুড বি কমপ্লিটেড ইন 9 minutes। যদি তাতকৈ বেছি লাগিছে ইউ শুড ষ্টাৰ্ট প্ৰেক্টিচিং। টাইমাৰ লগাই প্ৰেক্টিচ কৰিব যে 9 minutesতকৈ বেছি যাতে নালাগে। You should use 9 minutes লাগক আৰু একো নাই। Then same goes for 15 marker 12 minutes বেছি লাগিব নালাগে। And all the questions যোনটো আমি batch 2 দিছিলোঁ they were PYQs। So let's see question number 1 টো আমি কি দিছিলোঁ, give 5 reasons। এইটো ইকনমিক গ্ৰোথৰ ভুলত আহিছে হা। Give 5 reasons that positively connect economic liberalization with economic growth। Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Okay, so just like our drill, we will analyze the best answer that was written in batch 2। So this is one of the best answers। দুটা ভাল আনসাৰ আছিলে, তাৰে বহুত ভাল আনসাৰ আছিলে, সবেই ভাল আনসাৰ আছিলে, but they were two best answers। Out of that I am analyzing one of it। question to লিখাই গৈছে, this is the checked paper। তো লিখাই গৈছে give 5 reasons that economic growth, এইটো ভুলে হৈছে, that positively connect economic liberalization with economic growth। okay, so let's move ahead। student জনে কি লিখিছে, economic liberalization means removal of control to encourage economic growth। okay, economic liberalization leads to economic growth through several mechanisms। I would like a little more of this, a little more explanation I would like, but this is also not wrong। কিন্তু সেই one liner intro দিয়াতকৈ যদি আপোনালোকে 2 liner intro দিব পাৰে, that is a safer thing to do। okay, so তেওঁ straight away explanation at goal, economic liberalization leads to the economic growth through several mechanisms। 1, foreign investment। economic liberalization leads to the inflow of foreign investment bringing capital, technology, expertise that links to a high economic output। correct, dia ase correct। employment generation, liberalization creates opportunities for employment in various sections like IT, telecommunication service that projects a high economic growth। correct। Third, technological advancement, liberalization facilitates the technology transfer, access to new technology can boost productivity and drive economic growth। correct। market expansion, liberalization removes the barrier to trade and investment and allows the market for greater access। okay, efficient resource allocation, economic liberalization leads to the allocation of resources more efficiently and allow the market force to determine the price। okay, overall etu teo conclusion dise, overall economic liberalization promotes a more efficient, competitive and dynamic economy, laying the foundation for sustained growth over the long term। okay, so I have given a good also, 6 out of 10। আপোনালোকে ভাবিছে চাগে কি মই গুড লিখোঁ দেন 6 out of 10 দিওঁ, বাট চিভিল ছাৰ্ভিচ সেনেকুৱাই হয়। যদি আপুনি 50% বা 55% মাৰ্কছ স্ক'ৰ কৰিছে, ইউ উইল বি ওৱান অফ দ্য টপাৰ্ছ। চ' ডু নট এক্সপেক্ট যে স্কুলৰ নিচিনা ইউ উইল গেট 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10, 10 out of 10। 6 out of 10 ইজ এ গুড মাৰ্ক, বাট এই 6 out of 10 to 7 out of 10 কেনেকৈ কৰিব পাৰিলেহেঁতেন, বাই গিভিং আ লিটল মোৰ এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন ইন দিছ and a little more of conclusion। এই কণ্টেক্সটো অলপ আনিবলৈ ভাল হয় যে লিবাৰেলাইজেশ্যন কি হয়, কেতিয়া আহিছিলে, কি কথা, এইটোৰ মতে যদি অলপমান ইণ্ট্ৰ'টো অলপমান বহলাই লিখিল হয়, মে বি দ্য 6 out of 10 would have been a 7 out of 10। okay, so this is what the student wrote, which is correct। Now let's see the sample answer. So let us see the ideal answer now. আমি ideal answer to কেনেকৈ লিখিছোঁ, but এটা বস্তু মই আপোনালোকক অলৰেডি কৈ দিওঁ কি ideal answer does not necessarily means that there will be no better answer than this. এনেকুৱা কথা নহয়. This is one of the best ways to put it. আপোনালোকৰ যদি তাতকৈ ভাল way of putting আছে থাকিব পাৰে. So do not feel যে এইটোহে এনেকৈহে হ'ব লাগে, এনেকৈ হ'ব নালাগে. যদি এই আইডিয়েল আনচাৰটোত থকা সকলো পইণ্ট আপোনালোকে কভাৰ কৰিছে, then you have covered all of these points in your answer and you have a better language articulation, then of course that might be a better way of this. তো এইটো কেতিয়াও ফিল নকৰিব যে এইটোৱে চবতছে ভাল হয়, এইটো বা কপি মাৰি ল'ব লাগে এণ্ড অল দেট. সেই কপি পেষ্টৰ কনচেপ্টটো মূৰৰ পৰা গুচাই দিয়ক. ইয়াৰ পইণ্টকেইটা আপুনি লাৰ্ণ কৰি ল'ব পাৰে এণ্ড দেন আৰ্টিকুলেট ইন ইয়ৰ অ'ন লেংগুৱেজ. অ'কে, so let's move ahead. Also we have already given this answer in our Telegram channel, Sandpaper Academy Telegram channel, and we have 500 plus of you with us there, and thank you for the faith, and I hope it is helping you. So let's move ahead. Question to likha goise, give 5 reasons that positively connect economic liberalization and economic growth. So yat hero element ki hoy, economic liberalization aru economic growth. So let us see intro ki likhisu ami. Economic liberalization is the lowering of market barrier to allow new players and stronger contests among the market participants. This is a step away from control economy and towards a market which believes in neoliberalism or the concept of laissez-faire. Economic growth is the increase or decrease of the quantum of economy with respect to growth and services over a period of time. So in the intro we have discussed what is economic liberalization and also we have discussed what is economic growth. And now ahead we will try to connect the both of them. Yate eta bostu bhul hoye ase, it can help etu kati dibo lagibo ha. Okay, to miss typing hoise. So let's move for the first point. Economic liberalization decreases import output tariffs which encourages export and import of the country. The imports of raw materials could help in production of items that can have immense demand in both domestic and international markets, by extension bringing in more money into the country. Out of the not out of the blue, not connected to the question, but there is a country which is purely relying on exports for its manufacturing industries. Nijor eku material nai, eku mineral nai, agriculture bahut besi ekdom develop nohoy, but they are number 1 in terms of secondary sector and tertiary as well, but we are primarily like emphasizing on secondary sector. It's an Asian country. Naam to comment section at kobosun that exemplifies this point. Okay, so number 2 point likhisu, it increases competition of markets. Increased competition leads to better quality and better costing, both boosting the economic growth of the country. Number 3 leads to increase in FDI as the investment laws are laxed. These investments help in setting up manufacturing units which in turn increase both money flow and employment. Okay, it enables MNCs with centers outside the country employ people with special skills from the country, which helps in both money flow and employment. Juntu amar IT boom buli koy, and which has created a structural change in our economy. So etu bahut important point hoy, you must mention it. It enables people outside the country to invest in stock and bonds of Indian companies, which creates an influx of money in the country. Okay, so these are 5 of the several ways. So answer to ami likhisu enuka nohoy ki okol AIF 5ta way ase, aru ways ase in which economic liberalization can bring in economic boost. Its example can be seen with India entering LPG era in the 1990s. Okay, so context to ani dia goise যে লিবাৰেলাইজেশ্যনৰ কনচেপ্টটো আমি ক'ৰ পৰা পালোঁ, কেতিয়াৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'লে, কনচেপ্টটো আমি ইয়াতে লিখি দিছোঁ. চ' হোৱাট উই হেভ কাভাৰ্ড, হোৱাট আৰ বেষ্ট আনচাৰ আমাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টে যোনটো লিখিছে তাত যোনটো লেক্স হৈছিলে, য'ত 6 out of 10 বা 7 out of 10 কেনেকৈ যাব লাগিব, বেটাৰ ইণ্ট্ৰ, হিৰ' এলিমেণ্টটো আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰি পেলাই ইণ্ট্ৰত তাক প্লেচ দিব লাগিব. পইণ্টছকেইটা মোৰ লেছ ষ্টুডেণ্ট এণ্ড একাডেমি অলমষ্ট একেই লিখিছে, আৰু এই কণ্টেক্সট থকা এটা কনক্লুশ্যন দিব লাগিব. So the point is what I have also observed in most of my students ki student hokole content to thike likhise. This is where answer writing is important. Your content is right, your context is mismatched. your context is mismatched aru answer structure. So I have been getting demands from my students their answer structure or context identification upor eta session lobo lage. Soon I'll be coming with that. So let's move ahead to the next point. So the next question was, AI is more a boon than a bane. Comment. Answer in 150 words and 10 marks. So let us see what answer the student has written. Question to likhi loise, not necessarily you will have to write in your answer sheet likhibo nalage, but yet practice boli teo likhi loise. AI is more a boon than a bane. Comment. AI, artificial intelligence, can indeed be considered a boon rather than a bane for the following reason. So comment hole ki hoy? Comment hole generally the comment or the judgment, comment mane judgment aru generally is given at the end. Generally is given at the end in the form of the conclusion. This is also not wrong. যে তেওঁ আগতে ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰিছে যে তেওঁৰ মতে according to his analysis and according to him AI is more a boon. So lastত কি হয়, although আমি জানো কি AI আমি boon বুলিয়ে লিখিব লাগিব, DC he had comment to put on that, কিন্তু to make it more nicer to look at and having a better structure to the answer, generally we should start with a neutral opinion and then we should give it in favor of the thing junto ama question e demand korise. Okay, so let us see what the student has written. But judgment agot diar eko problem nai, but jodi pisot diye eta neutral heri di pele 5 out of 10 will be converted into 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. Okay, so teo arguments is in favor of the boon part. Teo likhise je innovation and creativity, AI system can assist human in generating new ideas, solving complex problems, foster innovation. Okay, environmental sustainability, AI technology can be used to address various environmental challenges like green building construction, okay, system pollution control, etc. Healthcare, AI driven technology has the potential to diagnose and treat various diseases. Aru ebilakot mane the statements which have been given here are very generic. Yan olopman teo particular koise, this is a good point, but you cannot be so generic when it comes to AI, because AI is the hottest topic. We will not be wrong to say that AI is the hottest topic. So AI aag gudi piece aag gudi side piche upar niche sob ami AI bikhoye janibo lagibo. So hetur uporot, because it will mean a lot. Jodi current topics upor you don't have specificity, then it puts an impression to the examiner that you are not up to date of the current affairs. So point is that AI is boon, we understand that, and it has been tried to put it forward, but iman generic answer likhile you will not get very good marks. Iman generic hole no hobo. Yat ami example dibo lagisile, ami ideal answer dekham ki dhonor example. This example should have been given precisely why the student got a 5 out of 10. So AI technology teo a 2 point thike likhise. Healthcare or diagnose of what, kiba recent development hoise neki, ebur ami ate likhibo lagibo. Enhance safety, AI application in the field of cyber security. This is specific, good, etu thike likhise teo. AI application in the field such as cyber security, surveillance and disaster management can help by identifying this, that. Overall, AI has been considered as a boon for various reasons. While AI does present certain challenges and risks such as job displacement, ethical concern and misuse. So I will already likhise expand the bane part a little more boli moi likhiye disu teo. Point is that a bane part to or conclusion part to separation lagisile. Both of these things have to be separately written. Aru bane to ami eta sentence ot khatam kori thobo nwaro, jehetu bane aru boonok equal importance dise in the paper, in the question. Also, of course, we will have to prove that boon is much greater than the bane part. Kintu hey bane to ami eta sentence ba tinta hobdot khatam kori thole you will not get proper marks. So bane to properly explain koribo. Kintu etu moi dekhisu kisman student ot je boon likhse duta, bane likhse sota, tar pisot koise boon bhal, এইটো হ'ব জানো? Does it look okay? এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ যেতিয়া you will have to choose one point over the other. যদি বুন আপুনি দুটা লিখিছে বেন এটা লিখিব, যদি বুন ছটা লিখিছে বেন চাৰিটা বা পাঁচটা লিখিব, বাট বেন হেজ টু বি নেচেচাৰিলি লেছ দেন বুন, বুন বেছি হ'বই লাগিব। যদি বুন আপোনাৰ বেছি নহয় তেতিয়াহ'লে আপুনি বুনটো জাষ্টিফাই কেনেকৈ কৰিব? চ' ইউ উইল হেভ টু যেতিয়াই কম্পেৰিজন আহে অকল বুন বেন বুলিয়ে নহয়, আমুক ইজ বেটাৰ দেন তামুক, এ ইজ বেটাৰ দেন বি বুলি যদি আহে, A has to be justified with greater number of points. Okay? হ'ব পাৰে কি আপুনি এৰ ইমানবোৰ পইণ্ট নাজানে, বিৰ ঢেৰ জানে, বিৰ ঢেৰ জানে বুলি বি লিখি গ'লে নহ'ব। দিছ উইল ডিফিট দ্য পাৰ্পজ অফ দ্য কুৱেশ্যন। চ' আপুনি বি কমাই লিখিব আৰু এ বঢ়াই লিখিবলৈ যেনে তেনে ট্ৰাই কৰিব। অ'কে? চ' ডোণ্ট ডিফিট দ্য পাৰ্পজ অফ দ্য কুৱেশ্যন। দ্য পাৰ্পজ অফ দ্য কুৱেশ্যন ইজ টু মেক বুন উইন অভাৰ বেন, and it is in your hands, so give more points to Bain and less points to more points to Boone and less points to Bain. Okay? Second, the student got a 5 out of 10, but teo specific ketaman likhise, generic quite tinta specific kebata likhise, so hekane we got him a 5 out of 10, but he could have gotten more jodi egita point thik hole hoy. Let us see je ami ideal answer ot ki likhisu. So this is the question to ami yat likhi loisu, then the answer, ideal answer. The artificial intelligence is the technology. Okay. This is the ideal answer, and let us see ki institute or answer ki likha ase. Artificial intelligence is a technology which enables machines to process things with human like intelligence. This enables them with situational decision making and even emotion processing till a certain level. New technologies naturally bring in a sense of uncertainty, and so has AI. AI has proved to be both a boon and a bane. So apuni dekhise ne, this is a neutral approach. This is a neutral approach. It's proved to be both a boon and a bane. মই আগতে জাজমেণ্ট পাছ কৰি দিয়া নাই, বিকজ আই হেভ টু কনভিন্স দি এক্সামিনাৰ কি ইট ইজ ইনডিড আ বুন। আৰম্ভণিতে আই কেনট বি লাইক বুন হি হে বুলি মই কৈ দিব নোৱাৰোঁ। আই উইল হেভ টু জাষ্টিফাই ৱাই এম আই টেলিং যে ইট ইজ আ বুন। চ' লেটছ মুভ ahead. Boon of AI. AI can help in solving complex numerical problems, which can be of tremendous help in missions like space exploration, subatomic research. If you remember যে আমার স্টুডেন্টেও এইটো কথাই লিখিছিলে, but he failed to write any example. যদি এই স্পেচ এক্সপ্লনেশ্যন, subatomic research বা এনেকুৱা কিবা মেনশ্যন কৰি দিলে হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে it would have been specific. AI can track vital signs in patients receiving critical care 24/7, can help in permutation and combination of chemicals, which can fasten drug development, and can help personalize medicine prescription as it can retain long-term data. Okay? Specific again. AI can write codes, theses on the basis of data and work as a ready-made source of answers, which can help professionals and students alike in saving time in matters which require less research. Okay? AI can predict weather and provide accurate forecast and nowcast of climate, which can be beneficial for many sectors like agriculture and fishery. AI can and does the work of security of internet services, which can prevent online frauds and scams and many other cyber security and many others. So ekdam specific, it has been connected. AI and CA, current affairs, they artificial intelligence and current affairs have been connected. So a connection to apnaluke bohabo lagibo with the current affairs. Enake jodi non specific answer likhe, there is a chance you might get a little less mark. Bain saik bain bur kom ke likiso. The jobs of the coders, content writers and others are in danger. Huge costs incurring in development of AI. Okay? There are many more boons and banes related to AI, but it can be safely said that the boons clearly overtake the banes, as the boons are observed in life-altering sectors of industries like health and education. So here, after the whole point, moi ekdam dalil walil diyar pisot, last judgment has been given je AI is a boon. Okay? So comment hole enukwake agbahibo. So let us see the next question. So here is the next question. Suggest innovative steps to make Assam an attractive tourist destination. Answer in 250 words with 15 marks. Let us see what the student has written. So So suggest innovative steps to make Assam an attractive tourist destination. तो intro di ठीक दिसे. Assam is blessed with richest biodiversity and natural beauty and has the potential to drive economic growth. To tap into the potential, following initiative can be taken. Okay. So intro is okay. Assam dhuniya, this that. Aru dhuniya keneke banao pari. Infrastructure development, improvement in infrastructure in roads, airports, railway could enhance accessibility, that could improve. So yat moi likhisu, is it innovative? Because we are forgetting that we have been asked to put innovative steps. Innovative steps mane ki unique steps, out of the box steps, like hatke. Infrastructure development to a normal developmental procedure hoy. So is it innovative? Will it classify as a point in the answer? No. So promoting Assam's rich culture and tradition by highlighting various festivals like Bihu, Brahmaputra Beach Festival, Namami, Brahmaputra Barak can attract the tourists. This is good. This is innovative. So this qualifies as a valid point in the answer. Motik marisu. Adventure tourism activities like river rafting, trekking, camping in scenic location can attract adventure enthusiasts. Okay, good, innovative. Cultural experience by promoting rich culture of Assam through traditional music, dance performance, storytelling session, very innovative. Showcasing Assam's cuisine. देखिसे recently আমি বহুত viral হৈছে Instagramত আমাৰ cuisine খুব तारीफ হৈছে. So that can be capitalized upon, innovative. Community-based tourism by encouraging community-based tourism initiative where traveler can stay with local family, participate in traditional crafts. Okay, innovative. Wellness tourism by developing wellness tourism infrastructure like spa resort, yoga center, traditional Ayurvedic treatment center. Innovative. By digital marketing campaign by implementing these steps, Assam can enhance. Okay. So এইটোত মানে তেওঁৰ চাগে সময় অলপ আকাল হ'ল, সেইকাৰণে এনেকৈ সৰুকৈ কনক্লুশ্যনটো দি থ'লে. বাট দিছ কনক্লুশ্যন হেজ টু বি থোৰা চা আৰু অলপমান ইম্প্ৰুভমেণ্ট কৰিব লাগিব. হোৱাট আই হেভ চিন যে দ্য ষ্টুডেণ্ট হেজ নিডছ কনক্লুশ্যনৰ অলপমান ডেভেলপমেণ্ট থ্ৰু আউট. বাট দ্য পইণ্টছ হেভ বিন ইনোভেটিভ এক্সেপ্ট দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট পইণ্ট. আৰু ভেৰিয়াছ ষ্টুডেণ্টছৰ মই কুৱাইট চাম ইনোভেটিভ পইণ্ট পাইছিলোঁ. তো হি হেজ গট 9 out of 15, which is a good mark. Let us see what the institute has written. Okay, so let us see what the institute has written. That Assam is emerging as an attractive tourist destination now with the attempts of government of Assam like Awesome Assam with the world famous Priyanka Chopra as the brand ambassador. Schemes like adopt a heritage site, renovation of Lukopriya Gopinath Bordlo International Airport, Brahmaputra Heritage Center, Botanical Garden, ropeway and so many more. Other than these, the following steps can be taken to further take it forward. So what the institute has done, it has shown जे हमें ये भी आता है. I know this as well. तो current affairs जे আমি জানো এটো আমি অলপমান slightly subtly আমি অলপমান ইন্ট্ৰোতে ডিসপ্লে কৰি দিলো. কিন্তু যোনটো অলৰেডি হৈ গৈছে তাৰ ওপৰত আমি কি ইনোভেটিভ ষ্টেপ ল'ব লাগে হেতু আমি এতিয়া আনসাৰটো হেতুহে হয়. খালি এটু দেখিছো আমি মই কিছুমান ষ্টুডেন্টছত খালি এখিনি এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি থৈছে কি what has already been done. A very wrong approach, because ইয়াত innovative step and suggest কোৱাৰ লগে লগে কি হ'ল, suggest মানে rackle your brain, নিজৰ দিমাগ ইউজ কৰি পেলাই আমি ক'ব লাগিব কি what is going on, what is not going on. Suggest measures, suggest innovative steps. Suggest means they are asking your opinion. তাত যদি আপুনি স্কিমস এণ্ড কিবা কথা কয় হেতু নহ'ব, वो नहीं पूछा है, that is not being asked. তো আপুনি সাজেষ্ট কোৱাৰ লগে লগে একদম গেট ৰেডি উইথ ইয়ৰ মেক্সিমাম ব্ৰেইন চেল কেপাচিটি কি এতিয়া মই যি বেষ্ট ভাবিব পাৰোঁ ডেট আই হেভ টু পুট ইট অন দ্য পেপাৰ. অ'কে, so let us see what innovative step the institute has suggested. Design of tourism circuits. Assam has the capacity of being home to several circuits like Shakti circuit related to Hinduism, stitching in Ma Kamakya temple, Mahamaya temple, Ugratar temple, etc. National Park circuit, Kaziranga Manas, Dibru Soikhwa, etc. Ahom culture circuit, mystical circuit, মানে মায়ং, টি সার্কিট গোটেই আপাৰ আসাম, etc. Okay. Number 2, design of a cultural fest. Assam has a plethora of tribes and their colorful culture can easily attract a lot of tourists if present in the form of an annual festival in lines of Hornbill Festival and Ran Utsav. Ran Utsav is a festival যোনটো 6 মাহে হয়. Hornbill to আমি গমে পাও, মিউজিক আছে, this আছে, it attracts a lot of people. আৰু Ran Utsav কি হয়, হোয়াইট স্যান্ড হেৰি হয়, তাত টেন্ট লগাই পেলাই মানুহ থাকিব পাৰে, তাত কালচাৰ হয়, এয়া হয়, হেয়া হয়. সো অল দিছ এইকেইটা লাইনত আমিও নিজৰ এটা ফেষ্ট আৰম্ভ কৰিব পাৰোঁ. Number 3, production of movies in Assamese backdrop. Bollywood and Hollywood production houses should be invited to make movies in the backdrop of Assam in lines of Bollywood movie Bheria, which was shot in Arunachal Pradesh. If anyone has seen Bheria, it actually it was a very beautiful display of the simplicity of the culture of Arunachal Pradesh. চাইছেনে ভেৰিয়া? চাইছে যদি কমেণ্ট বক্সত ইয়েছ বুলি লিখিব. ইট ৱাজ এ ভেৰি গুড মুভি. একদম তাৰ ধুনীয়া চিনিক বিউটি, জংগল, মানুহৰ চিম্প্লিচিটি, মানুহ কেনেকুৱা হেল্পফুল হয়, দ্য কালচাৰ. তাৰ আৰু এটা বহুত হেৰি কৈছিলে, অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশৰ যোনবোৰ আমাৰ ফ'ক ল'ৰ আৰু ফ'ক টেল আছে তাৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি পেলাই মিষ্টিকেল কেৰেক্টাৰবিলাকৰ কথা কৈছিলে. চ' দিছ ক্ৰিয়েটছ এ ভেৰি ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং ইমেজ এবাউট দ্য ষ্টেট. সেইটো আমি অসমৰ কাৰণেও ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব লাগে. চ' ইট হেজ বিন ৰিটেন, development of Brahmaputra and its front, Brahmaputra Bank can be developed into park, yoga center, provide for residential which can attract a large number of people. Affordable river cruise can be developed. যদি গমে পাই আমাৰ মহাবাহু বুলি এখন আছে, বৰ কষ্টলি, বাট সেনেকুৱা আৰু যদি আমি থ্ৰু আউট দ্য ষ্টেট অফ হেৰি আমি উই ক্যান ব্ৰিং ইন মোৰ, তেতিয়াহ'লে ইট উইল বি ভেৰি গুড. Promotion of Assam tourism in specialized centers across the country. Kiosks and centers can be placed at the airport, high footfall malls and other commercial places in different states to attract people into Assam tourism. Encouragement of local youth into tourism-based entrepreneurship. To develop Assam-style infrastructure, youth from Assam should be specifically funded through Startup India, Stand Up India for tourism-based entrepreneurship. So these are the innovative steps that have been set. That's a conclusion to ki likhile. Assam is no less than famous tourist destination like Rajasthan and Goa. All that is needed is to boost the existing resource in a creative manner. The government has already taken strides in that way. More strides can be expected to be seen in future. Okay? तो हमने में CEO लिखिलो, innovative step book कोलो, and this is an wholesome answer. Okay? So this is how we were supposed to answer it. Suggest বুলি ক'লে কি কয়, কমেণ্ট বুলি ক'লে কি কয়, অলৰেডি ছেট. আপোনালোকৰ যদি আনচাৰ ৰাইটিংখিনি চাই পেলাই নিজৰো মনত কিবা কুৱেশ্যন থাকে, ইউ কেন অলৱেজ আস্ক আছ ইন দ্য কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যন, বিকজ উই আৰ প্লেনিং টু মেক আ ভিডিঅ' এড্ৰেছিং দ্য অভাৰঅল ডাউটছ এণ্ড কুৱেৰিজ ডেট দ্য ষ্টুডেণ্টছ হেভ. So already we are full on our mains answer writing. We are closing our mains answer writing admissions. And this is the best we can do right now, because personalized 1-to-1 যদি আমি ধ্যান দিব লাগে আপোনালোকৰ ওপৰত, আমি বহুত বেছি ষ্টুডেণ্ট ল'ব নোৱাৰোঁ. So I hope যে we are being helpful to you. Until then, like, share and subscribe to Sandpaper Academy of Civil Services. Thank you.